The IWS dripper system is simple to set up and easy to use. It is composed of four main parts. The pots. These are connected together in series with flexible supply tube, terminating at the brain pot. The brain pot will usually run to waste, but can be set up as a recirculating system. A dripper head is connected to the main nutrient tank. We will now talk you through the features of each part of the system. Located at the bottom of the tank is the feed pump. Next we have the brain pot. Inside the brain pot is the drain pump and a magnetically controlled high quality float switch. Next we have the pots. The pots are composed of an inner and an outer pot. These are connected with the supply tubing, which is tightly sealed onto each pot using an adjustable gland. We will now run through a complete irrigation cycle. Starting with the timer. Make sure the timer is plugged into the mains and the feed pump is plugged into the extension. Also, make sure the brain pot is plugged into the mains. Adjust minutes or seconds by pushing the timer button. Turn the dial clockwise to set your desired flood time. Time will pass and the system will remain idle until a depressed segment is reached. This initiates the feed pump in the tank, and the irrigation cycle begins. The nutrient solution will now be pumped from the tank to your pots. The nutrient will now be passed through a filter to remove any debris, and into your dripper assembly. From here, the nutrient is redirected through the dripper head and into your pots. The nutrient will eventually run through your medium and into the outer pots. As the pot fills, the nutrient will run down into the brain unit. When the float valve is lifted, the drain pump will engage. In this case, the solution is pumped to a drain, but the system can easily be set up to recirculate. When the feed time elapses, the feed pump will turn off. Any remaining runoff is then pumped away by the brain, and the irrigation cycle is complete.